Nilikuwa nimejitayarisha. Your Excellency, I'm on record and I'm happy my DEC is here, County Commissioner. We have our two sub-county DCCs and ACCs. You cannot call yourself a worthy leader when you are reading a community of drunkards and drug abuse. Your Excellency, all these members of Parliament, we are no longer going to be associated with the drunkards. We want to be associated with successful people. Personally, I've realized I am a good person because of good people. But I realize the bad people are always accepted in churches and the police station. Na mimi sitaki kwenda njia hiyo kama member of parliament. So I want to be associated with a clean community. I want to be associated with the people who are hardworking. I want to be associated as a member of parliament with the people who have the future. I want to be associated as a person who will leave something for the future of the nation. So as members of parliament, we join this war. Your Excellency, Timao has been quoted as one of the largest plantations of Banchi. The security organs here, they know, they are here. My Timao is the home of one of the Mungiki leaders. He has a home in my constituency, in Onterere. And we all know that. I actually want to force so that he can go and record a statement. And the juicy mwemuona pale Nakuru. He has a home in my constituency. And I'm sure part of those plantations you are hearing, if I'm not wrong, they have that connection. Your Excellency, Timao is